there, I'm Sarah Maiga, your go-to real estate expert and associate broker of Maiga Homes with Keller Williams. If you're new here and interested in all things real estate, be sure to hit the subscribe button by clicking that little icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the video. I publish videos on a new real estate topic every week, and you don't want to miss anything. So today's video will cover another important topic before deciding to relocate. 10 things to consider before moving to a new state. You've been asked to move with your current job to a new location out of state. Maybe you're looking for a change and want to experience a new state. Perhaps there are family or other personal drivers making you consider a move. Whatever the reason, these 10 things will definitely need to be considered. So here they are. Consideration 1, the housing market. There are markets that are known for higher housing costs and markets that are lower. Consider the state where you currently live and compare it to the potential state. If the costs are higher, is that something you can accept? Be aware that markets can vary within the state depending on the location. Consideration 2, cost of living. You've learned the value of the housing market. Now learn what the cost of living in that location will be. This includes miscellaneous items such as utilities, gas, food, entertainment. Areas with higher housing market values most likely will have a higher cost of living. Consideration 3, healthcare. Healthcare costs is another area you should investigate. Will your current coverage transfer to your new location? Will your costs increase or decrease? Do you have special medical needs that might be limited in the new location? Take your time and do the research in this area to determine what is right for you. Consideration 4, transportation. What are your transportation needs? Are you comfortable driving, or do you want some type of public transportation? Is it important to be able to walk many places? Many cities have some form of public transportation, but locations in outlying areas might have limited choices. Consideration 5, employment. Are you moving due to a job change? Then this should not be a major concern for you. However, if you'll need a job, then you should check out the current unemployment statistics in that area and how needed are your job skills. Without a plan for employment, finding any type of housing would be difficult. Consideration 6, culture. Do you love to explore new areas and activities? Are your interests geared towards pro sports, museums, fine dining? Perhaps you prefer a quieter lifestyle. Whatever your interests, you can virtually explore the cultural activities of the areas that you are considering. Consideration 7, education. The available school systems range from pre-elementary to higher institutes. Whether it is for your children, spouse, or yourself, investigate the opportunities in the area. State rankings in these areas are available from various sources. Consideration 8, weather. Will your new location be a major change in weather? Are you willing to make that change? Weather can have an impact on your living expenses and even your moods. Though no area is totally free of natural disasters, what impact would past events have on your decision to relocate? Consideration 9, taxes. Taxes are inevitable, but not always consistent in terms of cost from state to state. Compare the following taxes between states: state income tax, state sales tax, property tax, local city tax, for either residents or workers or both. In consideration 10, people. Certain areas attract certain people. Some areas might be geared toward retirees, while others are for young families or singles. You can find the demographics and median age for most cities online. You need to consider what you like. Do you want similar people with similar interests, or do you want diversity? These are all great things to investigate. While doing that, you should also learn what it is you're looking for in a move out of state. If you're interested in moving to Michigan, check out my earlier video on the 10 reasons Michigan is a great place to live. I hope you found today's episode insightful. As always, if you think you're within a year of making a move to Southeast Michigan, give me a call today and set up a consultation as I create custom moving plans for all of my clients up to a year in advance. And if I'm not able to personally assist you, don't worry. I'm part of a global real estate company and can find you a similarly qualified agent anywhere in the world. In fact, if you haven't yet had a chance, please check out another one of my videos on why you should get a realtor referral for an agent when relocating. It will teach you all about how realtor-to-realtor referrals work and what to expect when you ask me for one. So be sure to subscribe to my channel today and tune in weekly to learn about all things real estate. You can also check out my other series on selling a home, buying and selling simultaneously, buying a home for the first time, new construction, and more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.